Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a Chase bank account. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. So first thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or your desktop. Then enter the URL chase.com. Once you get into the website, click on the sign in button at the top right. Since we are creating an account, you need to click on the not enrolled sign up button below. So after you do that, you'll be headed to this page and here you need to enter your information. So first thing you need to do is choose between personal, business or commercial account. So I'm going to choose personal here and enter your account, card or application number. Once you enter that, enter your social security number, and if you do not have your social security number, click on no social security number. Then you can enter your date of birth instead. So once you enter your date of birth or social security number, you'll need to create your username. Your username must be between 8 to 32 characters long, must contain at least one letter and a number, and must not contain any special characters. So enter your username. So after you enter all your details, you'll then need to click on the next button. And after you do that, your Chase account will be created. So there you have it. That's how you sign up for the Chase bank account. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you won't miss any other video. See you in the next video.